Hey guys, so I'm here with Ben. We just grabbed ourselves a disposable camera to do a disposable camera shoot challenge where we go out and shoot a whole 27 photos, I believe, on this disposable camera. It's his first time shooting on the disposable camera.
I hope the photos turn out okay. I'm a little bit nervous. I've never shot it before, but I guess you guys will see the photos like right now.
Or this video will not see a light of day.
No, you'll see it. Even if there's 27 blank ones.
Yeah, let's go to our location, which we haven't decided yet, and start shooting. Okay, so just made it to Suitengu, my station, and we're gonna start the episode here. Our final destination is down the street, maybe 5 to 10 minute walk, which is in Ningyocho. It's a really old area. It's in Chuo district or Chuo ward. It's up north, and we're gonna start off by shooting 17 photos out of the 27, one of which we have to start by shooting each other. So it's gonna be a lot of fun.
I'm gonna have fun. I was stressed before, but whatever. Are we gonna have a time limit on?
I don't know, should we?
You'll see the photos.
It's nice. Here. Oh, this is nice. Wait, go here, go here, go here. Oh, sick. Cool, got it. I got my shot. I'm super happy with it.
What to do? Go avoid the sign. Lean forward a bit. Yeah, 1, 2.
You're gonna get close to me.
Yeah. And the viewfinder is kind of hard to find because it's like really tiny. We'll see how it turns out. That was a little bit dark.
Yeah.
Oh no. camera.
So just finished up shooting my 17 shots here. The really cool alley here in Ningyo-jo, I'm really happy with this area. The light kicked in nicely. Gonna try and find Ben and go to the next spot. So see you guys there.
Yeah. Hopefully it turns out how I see it in my head. It's a wide lens, so you have to be quite close, and because the streets are long, you don't get that long kind of compression with like a 85 or a longer lens.
Alright, so just made it to Shinjuku, and it's sunset. I don't know, there's buildings so I can't really tell, but we're kicking into blue hour at night. We have 10 more photos left, so we're just gonna keep it super simple, super chill, go around, just shoot whatever we feel like, and see how it turns out when it's darker outside.
There's a lot more happening now and more lights and stuff, so it should be cool.
Yeah, just wrapped up everything. It was super fun. Don't know how the photos look like at this point, but you guys do.
Amazing. Yeah, amazing, right? Yeah.
I'm gonna destroy your photos.
Leave comments. Whose photos are better?
Yeah. The loser has to pay for the next trip.
Or something. This guy's confident.
I'm not really. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a really chill, casual shoot. Had fun shooting with Ben. But yeah, like always, stay safe, stay curious, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Right.
And then it's like back to the video. Are you lost?
Huh?
You lost?